My name's Adam. Thanks for joining us today. So today we're going to do kind of a bonus video on some tax planning for 2021. So every month we do a mini series. This month our mini series was on Rrsps, Registered Education Savings Plans. And also December 2020, there happens to be 5 Tuesdays, which allows us to post this bonus video on tax planning and some tax numbers heading into 2021. If you haven't already joined our financial masterclass, there's a link below to find out more information. So our masterclass is basically a combination of everything I've kind of learned and taught our clients and put in place over the last 15 years with our clients. We've put it into 100 videos, content download in one simple spot. So everything to do with saving, budgeting, retirement, estate planning, taxes, mortgages, real estate, and so much more. So if you're struggling with financial planning, retirement planning, questions around finance, maybe you're searching Google, just not getting the answers that you want. Maybe every time you walk into your bank, you're just really confused about the language that they use. You don't understand what they're talking about and you want to learn more. This course is for you. Maybe you're looking to hire a financial planner, but you're not sure where to start. We go through that in one of the modules with a bunch of videos. So we kind of cover everything that you need to either make the next step, to boost your education a bit higher, your knowledge a bit higher. This course will help you make the right steps moving forward. So again, there's a link below. Find out more information. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to help you out. So the first tax number I want to throw at you for 2021 is your maximum Rrsp contribution room. For 2021, the maximum Rrsp contribution room is going to be $27,830. The second limit you need to know about heading into 2021 is the Tfsa contribution limit. So January 1st, 2021, you get an additional $6,000 of contribution room if you're over 18. The maximum contribution room now accumulated over time is $75,500. Now that contribution limit could vary depending on your age. If you were not 18 years of age in 2009, your contribution limit may be lower. Also, if you've invested in your TFSA over time and you've either had losses or gains that you've pulled out, you may have a less or higher limit as well. So go on your CRA website, it will tell you exactly what your TFSA limit is, but if you're over 18 in Canada, on January 1st, 2021, your contribution limit will increase by $6,000. There is a slight bump in the lifetime capital gains exemption. So if you have a capital gain, the exemption for 2021 has jumped to just over $892,000. If you were a first-time home buyer in 2021, there is a first-time homebuyer credit that you can claim. It's up to $500, which gives you a credit of up to $750 on your taxes. So make sure to claim that, whether you bought a house in 2020 or looking forward to 2021, make sure to claim the homebuyer credit. Looking at medical expenses, the medical expense threshold for 2021 is either 3% of your income or $2,421, whichever is less. So that's the medical expense threshold going into 2021. The old age security clawback, which many seniors will run into, so you need to be very aware of this. If your income is over $79,841 in 2021, so $79,800 roughly, your OAS will be clawed back. Okay, so that's a slight bump from 2020. In 2020, it was $79,000. So an additional $800 of income you're allowed before that clawback, but be aware of that income level. If you fall above that $79,800, part of your OAS will be clawed back. So it's clawed back 15% for every dollar over that threshold. And lastly, if you have children, the Canada Child Benefit will be bumped slightly heading into 2021 as well. You might notice a small difference. The maximum amount goes to $6,800 per child if they're under 6 years old from $67. So depending on the age of your child, there's slight bumps, but heading into 2021, there's a slight bump. So this kind of renews in July. So July is when the amount will increase. So they'll see your taxes, how much you made, and that will tell the government how much CCB benefit you will receive for your children. You will likely see if you have the same amount of income and your kids are still under 6 or the same amount of kids are over 6, you will see a very slight bump in the monthly payment you'll receive starting in July 2021. Thanks for joining us on this video today. It's just some tax tips, tax numbers heading into 2021 around your financial plan. If you have any questions, reach out to us. And again, if you haven't joined our masterclass, click below. We have information on all the numbers that we went through today. We have videos on all this, going through the explanation of each thing, how it works, how it integrates into your plan, into your budget, and all that. So check out our masterclass. And again, heading into 2021, there's no massive changes. There's a few adjustments up, mostly due to inflation, which they will make those increases every single year. And make sure to utilize your Tfsa room. If you have extra money sitting around, use that $6,000 of additional Tfsa room heading into 2021. That money can be invested and can go tax-free over a long time. We'll put the link above here on either side that talks about how to build $1 million Tfsa. So we did a video a while ago on how to build $1 million Tfsa. We'll link that above. Click on that. But it talks about the compounding growth of using a Tfsa on a tax-free basis. So click that, check out that video. Thanks again for joining us. Have a great week.